Ni kisa kutokea hapo jana wakati ambapo kiliweza kuwekwa wazi kwenye mitandao ya kijamii na maafisa wa kutokea katika kitengo cha upelelezi nchini Kenya cha DCI. Kimeweza kuwa na mvuto mkubwa sana kwa Wakenya kwa jumla. Ila kwa sasa stori inayochipukia kuhusiana na wafanyakazi wawili waliopata kuwepa na kitita cha shilingi milioni 94 million ambao ni wafanyakazi wa kampuni ya ulinzi ya Fargo Wells samani. Kwa sasa chimbuko lingine limepata kutokea kuhusiana na kisa chote kizima baada ya kuaminika kwamba ambaye ni suspect watatu ameweza kugundulika na kutajwa na maafisa wa DCI kuwa alikuwa moja kati ambao waliwasaidia watu hawa kuepa na zile pesa. The theft of 94 million cash from a Wells Fargo cash in transit vehicle has taken a new twist with the introduction of a third suspect. Initially, the DCI Special Operations Team had locked down on two suspects, Daniel Mungai Mogetha, crew commander, and Anthony Duiki Waigumo, driver, who disappeared with the cash at 7:30 a.m. on Monday, November 6th. However, eyewitnesses revealed that the heist had the help of a third person who was spotted at the scene where the vehicle was found abandoned. According to eyewitnesses' report, the vehicle had only one occupant when it was parked at a dump site in South Sea along the southern bypass. The driver left and returned with two accomplices who helped load the cash in the getaway car and abandoned the cash in transit lorry. Police officers are reviewing CCTV footage near the scene to establish the identity of the third suspect. According to a statement by the Directorate of Criminal Investigations, the driver and the crew commander managed to sneak out of the company headquarters in South Sea without the police officers who had been assigned to escort them. Oblivious that the truck number KBA 517T they were to escort had minutes earlier sneaked away, the armed escort team went to inquire from the management why the loading was taking too long. By that time, neither the truck nor the crew members could be traced, the DCI said. In the meantime, the authorities have shared the photos of the two prime suspects, asking the public to submit any information on their whereabouts. As investigations diverge into the entrances of the heist, several key inquiries emerge, each crucial in piecing together the past of the audacious robbery. The audacity with which the driver and the crew commander managed to evade their police escort at the company headquarters raises questions about potential security lapses. Investigators will be looking for answers as to the circumstances surrounding their escape, examining security protocols and seeking to understand if internal collaborators facilitated their departure unnoticed. Now, reading on the reactions of Kenyans, I can see one here says, so people were just watching as a car loads with cash is parked. Another one says, wako wapi hata sisi tukule. Namwona Bernard Gooms says, Happy Christmas for them. Inaonekana kisa hiki na mkasa wote wa wizi wa pesa asilimia takriban milioni 94 unaendelea kuleta maswali tata na maswali ambayo hayajapata kujibiwa na maafisa wa usalama wa DCI kutokana na kile ambacho kilipata kutokea hapo jana baada ya pesa hizi kuibiwa. Je, unadhani ni watu wangapi haswa walihusika na wizi huu wa kitita cha shilingi milioni 94? Jina langu ni Felix Mwanda. Hii ni FM Show KE. Subscribe, maana tupo hapa kwa ajili yako, na kadri mambo yanavyozidi kuchipukia tutakuwa hapa kukupasha. Usibanduke.